Welcome back to the Burnout Bob YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be doing a review on the KEMIMOTO bag for the Honda Ruckus. This bag is designed to fit underneath your stock OEM Honda Ruckus seat frame. If you're looking for maximum storage for underneath this seat frame, this is the definite go-to. It's an affordable price. I also have a coupon code that will be listing below. It is water resistant, so of course, as you know, when we're riding these rucks, we will get caught in the rain, which is a great feature to have. It has reflective tape going on the sides, which I'll go over later. Zippers have a rubber knob at the end to make it easier to grip, especially if you like riding with gloves on like I do. And if you want to go over the easiest installation you've ever seen on this channel, period, this is gonna be it. So without further ado, let's get into this KEMIMOTO bag. So my general thoughts right off the bat when looking at this bag is that I could tell it was very good quality. Judging by the material, you can hear it's almost like the same material that they make the riding jackets out of, so which is made to take, you know, impact and road rash and whatnot. So it's the same feel, same material. As I said before, it's water resistant. It has the reflective markers on both sides of the bag, which is a great feature to have, especially when you're on a small bike like this. You want to be seen. And as you can see with the zipper here, there's a nice water resistant material that goes along the zipper to keep stuff safe. So if you want to keep your cell phone or wallet or anything in there secure, that would be a great place for it. Or even when you get into the duffel bag itself. When you make your way to the front of the bag, there is another storage here with a Velcro strap. If you want, you can put like a water bottle, anything like that you don't mind that if you are getting caught up in the rain, it won't affect it. So you can see there, nice Velcro strap, just snaps in like that. Now you also notice that there's little straps or hooks, you can say, at the end of each tab here. With this bag comes a shoulder strap. So if you ever wanted to park your bike and go walking into somewhere, or if you use this bike as a daily driver and you want to put your laptop or your lunch or something along that in the bag, you can hook these straps up, which I'll show you later, and wear this on your shoulder. As you can see, there's a insert here. It's a hardened insert, as you can hear. It goes inside the bag, and what it does is it maximizes the space for whatever you're going to place in there. Now right off the bat, you can see there's an additional storage right here, another storage right there. So this thing has tons of space. I'm going to flip it around so you can see the other side. That's all left open, so if you wanted to put something in there that didn't require the small space, you have all that open space. So now I'm going to get to the install, and we'll go ahead and put it on the seat frame right here for the Honda Ruckus. Now for the install of the KEMIMOTO bag. What you're going to do now is, this is very simple. You're going to go ahead and reach over on the lock side and just lift the seat up as if you would if you were going to have something underneath here. The KEMIMOTO badge here is going to be facing on the right side. There's also one on the opposing side. As you can see, the bag has a natural tilt, so it's thicker on this end, smaller on the back side. That matches up with the natural design of the seat frame. So you're just going to slide this in. Pretty simple. Once you do that, you have these Velcro straps here, and you're going to put them around your factory seat frame bolt brackets right there. So I can go ahead and put the seat down to make it easier. Going to loosen this up, pull it around, and now it's strapped on. The nice part about this too is that it has the reflective tape on the outside, so it's going to be definitely visible. Same thing's going to go for the other side. Reach it around, Velcro it on, and it's that easy. As you can see, I now have the bag installed on my Honda Ruckus. That took a whole 10 seconds maybe. It was unbelievably fast. So the fitment is great. Fits amazing on the stock seat frame. Does not interfere with anything. Just straps 2 places on each side, and that's it. Looks amazing on the bike when it comes to underseat bags. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this bag to the test. I'm going to see what we can fit on it that us normal Honda Ruckus guys like to keep on us. Alright, it's time to put this KEMIMOTO bag to the test. I'm not going to do a review on anything and not push it to the fullest. So with that being said, I'm going to go over some stuff that you typically ride with or that you really want to have on a ride, but sometimes you don't have the space, and now that this bag allows it to happen. Right here on the side, so I'll put my wallet in one, my cell phone in the other. I would always love to have an electric impact with me, but wearing a backpack is too heavy with this. Under here, I don't see that being an issue. Allen keys, a must-have. Socket set, missing a 10mm, classic. Screwdriver, always. Always need a socket wrench. Maybe you want a snack for the road. Throw some of these guys in there. Bottle of water. I like to put that up front so I can get a hold of it whenever I need to. Velcro that. Actually, I'll have to lay it down sideways in there. And you know what? Let's really put it to the test. That's already holding everything and more than I would typically bring with me on a ride. Maybe you can put a liter of oil in there too. I have one laying around. Let's see if it can fit. A gallon of water. Now we're really pushing it. Still fits with room. A liter of oil from the ruck shop. Still fits with room. This is unreal how much stuff I have in here. Just zip up. It has the water resistant zippers, and actually if you want to, I'd probably put it in the middle so it's still covered under the seat like that. And you just close your factory seat frame. That's unbelievable. I didn't even utilize the storage that's in the back. That's just with putting one thing up front and everything still in the bag with room left to put more little trinkets in there. I'm gonna open this up and show you everything in there. Alright, as you can see, everything is in there that I showed you, with plenty of room still for more things. Nobody's really gonna carry around this unless you're a gym rat and going to the gym, but even just your standard everyday stuff, that is plenty of room. I really like how that is. And then like I said, in the back here, you have another component or another bag that unzips, that's water resistant, that you can go ahead and keep other parts in right there. Overall, this is a really nice bag to have if you have the factory seat frame. I'm very impressed with this one. I've seen other underseat bags, and I've used other underseat bags, and it did not have as much space as this, and I don't believe it was as well built as this. This is solid. Like, you can hear it. As well as the material is a lot better quality. So the next thing I'm going to show you about this bag is the strap feature. So say you're taking this to school, you know, college kids love having these on campus. If you want to keep your books in here or anything, like you're going to the laundromat, you want to try to take your clothes in there, whatever the case may be, I'll show you what you can do. Once you park the bike and say you don't want anybody to touch anything in your bag, I wouldn't. Flip up your seat, pull each strap like that. You can lift your bag out. Now that you have your bag out, I'll put the straps back in, zip this back up. comes with this shoulder strap. It has the quick clips, and just snap and snap. And like that, you now have a duffel bag you can throw over your shoulder and take wherever you want to go. So, here's my review on the KEMIMOTO bag. Overall, I think it's amazing. The quality is great, it's well designed, easy installation, water resistant, which we need on something like this, has tons of storage, tons of options. The strap is an extra bonus if you want to carry it over your shoulder when you leave. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10 when it comes to storage bags. If I still had a factory seat frame on my bike, I would have that on there. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the link for this bag below, as well as a coupon code that you can enter in to get a discount on it. It's already reasonably priced as it is. Then you can add that discount code for me below that. It'll help out. You'll get it for an even better deal. If you have Prime, you're getting it quick. I'm telling you right now. I got this bag in I think 1 or 2 days. It was unreal. And the nice part about this is KEMIMOTO stands behind their products, which of course, as you know, with me and what I do, we like to stand behind our product. They do as well. They have a hassle-free warranty on their bags. So if you have any type of an issue or any type of malfunction, whatever the case may be, you just reach back out to them. They will take care of you. I hope you enjoyed this product review. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Take a look at the link for this bag. If you have a factory Ruckus seat frame and you're in need of something like this, this is the only way to go. It's the only option I would ever choose. Thanks again for watching the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and catch you on the next one.